Zach. Sup, Damon? Woman of Star Trek. Box 5606 of 10,000. I'll bust the box out right now with everything I have. One segundo. Mr. Zach needs to be in bed by 9 p.m. Oh, she's back home, but she can't open your box, Zach. She has no strength in her arms. Hi, Rose. I thought you'd want to know. Right? Just a lot of pain. You know. Mucho dolor. You got it. You got it. That sketch. Yeah. Only you get one. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nice. Sonequa Martin Green. Oh, what's wrong with the internet? Very nice one to get. She is Michael Burnham in Star Trek Discovery. Michael? Her name is Michael? Oh, we've got her already. Henry Ivanens. Can I mag her? Maggie O'Halloran, Star Trek boy. Yeah, I can mag her. That's a big one. Boom! Adam Morris. We got her already too. Captain Erica Hernandez. Yeah, I remember now. She's the only Mexican in Star Trek. Jadzia Dax. 54 of 99. Wookie signed, right? Marsha. You had that card? We've gotten this card before? Oh, is he? Oh, okay. And 7 of 9. Nice. It looks like it, right, Daniel? Looks like a color blast. Very nice little box with the Adam Maris, Sonequa Martin Green, Henry Ivanens, and your Jadzia Dex number card. Thank you, Zach. Appreciate it, senor. Get that mag right now. Actually, I'll mag it at the shop. I have 55 points at the shop. I only have 35 points here.